Have you ever wondered why some men have high-value women completely intrigued and obsessed with them? It's not about looks, wealth, or flashy gestures. It's something deeper, something magnetic. Today, I'm revealing the mindset, habits, and strategies that make you irresistible to women who know their worth. Stick around, because this could be a game changer for your confidence and relationships. 1. It starts with self-mastery. Before you can attract a high-value woman, you need to become a high-value man. That starts with self-mastery. Women are drawn to men who are grounded, focused, and in control of their emotions. High-value women don't want chaos. They want stability. Work on building discipline, whether that's through fitness, financial independence, or simply having a vision for your life. Your ability to lead yourself will signal to her that you can lead in a relationship. Key takeaway: master your emotions. Stay committed to your goals. Have a sense of direction. 2. Confidence, not arrogance. High-value women don't chase arrogance. They chase confidence. Confidence is quiet. It doesn't need to be loud or flashy. It's the ability to hold a conversation, maintain eye contact, and be unapologetically yourself. Be genuine. When you're authentic, she can sense it, and it sets you apart from others who are trying too hard. Tips for building confidence. Focus on your strengths. Be comfortable with silence. Don't feel the need to overcompensate. Show curiosity in her without coming off as desperate. 3. The power of mystery. High-value women love a man who is slightly mysterious. It's human nature to be curious about what we don't fully understand. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Share your passions and achievements, but leave room for her to wonder about your story. Create moments where she wants to know more. Practical steps. Limit oversharing early on. Build intrigue by pursuing meaningful hobbies or interests. Let her discover things about you over time. 4. Emotional security and integrity. What truly captivates a high-value woman is a man who provides emotional security. This doesn't mean catering to her every whim. It means being consistent, honest, and showing integrity. She needs to know that she can trust you when you're calm under pressure and handle disagreements maturely. She'll see you as someone she can build a future with. Essentials for emotional security: be consistent in your actions and words. Set boundaries respectfully. Always act with integrity. Be someone she can trust. 5. A man with purpose. Nothing is more attractive to a high-value woman than a man with purpose. Your purpose is your compass. It's what drives you, and it shows her that you're not just drifting through life. When you're dedicated to your growth and your mission, she will admire you and want to be part of your journey. How to demonstrate purpose. Pursue a passion or career with intensity. Prioritize your personal goals without apology. Show her that you're a man of action, not just words. Becoming a man who attracts high-value women is not about tricks or games. It's about growth, authenticity, and purpose. Start focusing on these principles, and you'll notice the difference in how women perceive you. If you want to dive deeper into personal transformation, check out my next video on building the habits of a high-value man. Don't wait. Start leveling up today.